Hey everyone, welcome back. I'll walk you through the hardware choices I have made for the extruder and motion system. Let's jump right into it. I have chosen the Sherpa Mini extruder by Annex Engineering team. It's compact and reliable extruder that's become a popular choice in high performance Core XY machine. To drive the Sherpa Mini, I am using the BMG dual drive gear kit from Triangle Lab. Moving on to the Hotend setup, I have gone with the Volcano style V6 heater block paired with a full metal heat break and a CHT Volcano nozzle. I am using a 50-watt heater cartridge for fast heating and maintain stable temperatures at high flow rates. This setup gives me a high performance extrusion system capable of pushing higher sprint speeds. The CHT nozzle, for those who don't know, uses a split core internal structure that increases the surface area of the melt zone, resulting in better filament melting even at higher speeds. To mount the Hotend, I have modified the VZBot printhead so that it is compatible with the MGN 12H linear rail and block. The assembly came together quite well and looks very promising. For the bed, I have repurposed an old 200 by 200 mm heated bed from TO Tarantula. I have modified the wiring to work on 24 volts instead of the original 12 volt, which gives me a faster heat up time. The top covering was removed to let a 4 mm glass sheet sit flush with the aluminum surface. The original VZBot idlers didn't fit my layout or frame design, so I ended up designing a custom 4-part adjustable idler system. These mount directly to the aluminum extrusion and provide precise belt tensioning. The belts are tensioned, the limit switches are active, and now I am able to successfully home the printer in all 3 axes. You can see the machine performing its first homing sequence, and so far it's behaving exactly as expected. I have also assembled the Z-axis and mounted the heated bed platform. Before attempting a real print, I am conducting a dry run test. No filament loaded, just to ensure the motion, heating and temperature stability are all on point. During this test, I am monitoring both the nozzle and bed temperatures to ensure the thermal systems are maintaining set points without overshoot or fluctuation. I still have a few calibrations left to do, motor current adjustments and filament retraction settings. I will also run a pressure advance test and maybe do some input shaper testing if I hook up the ADXL 345 sensor later on. Additionally, I'll be cleaning up the cable routing and add a braided sheet to the printhead umbilical cord for a better strain relief and protection. And that's about it for this video. We have gone from a bare frame to a fully wired up motion ready system. In the next video, I'll run the first print and share how it performs. Thank you all for following along. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.